Alright everyone, we have an airbag light on in the Mini, so let's try and fix that. We would first need to diagnose the car, hence why TopDon sponsored the video. So they were kind enough to send me their diagnostic tool, and with this we're going to read the fault codes of the car to try and understand what's wrong with it. So let's hop inside. Alright, so first we're going to connect our diagnostic tool in the OBD2 port over there. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to open up the app. Oh, no, not that one. This one. Then we're going to hit Diagnostics, Mini, Automatic. So then we're going to turn on the ignition, hit Read, then hit Confirm. That is our car. Confirm. Then we're going to hit Auto Scan, and then hit Scan. So now the tool is scanning for faults. So here we have our fault. Read DTCs. So apparently that is our fault. Resistance too high. Alright, so after doing some digging online, I understand that the connectors below the seat can go wrong. This has to do with the sliding around of the seat over the years, not doing the cables below the seat any favors. I've also heard that it could be one of the connectors becoming dirty over the years. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, inspect it, and give it a good clean. And hopefully that solves our issue. So I'm specifically talking about these connectors. The yellow one is causing the issue. So we're going to open it up, clean it with contact cleaner, button it up again, and clear the codes. And see if that solves our issue.
Alright, voiceover time. So first we're going to disconnect this yellow connector. Then we're going to spray in some contact cleaner. Then with my toothbrush, any old toothbrush, we're going to give this connector a thorough clean, as well as the receiving end of the connector. Then give it a good wipe to make it dry. Then it's time to plug it. Wait, what's this? Oh, that's pretty cool. Anyway, then it's time to plug it back in and see if this solves our issue.
So let's turn on the ignition. So now we're going to clear the codes. As you could have seen over there to the right, the airbag light is now flashing. So I believe we should now turn off the ignition and wait 10 seconds. Then we're going to turn it back on. As you can see, the airbag light remains off now. So let's scan for codes again. Be good, be good. Yeah, there we go. No faults. No faults whatsoever. So there you go, that's how you fix the airbag light error. A huge thanks to TopDon for sponsoring the video. And I can hereby confirm that after driving around for a day or two, the airbag light hasn't come back. I'll put the link to the diagnostic tool in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time! Alright everyone, so we have an airbag light on in the Mini. So let's try and fix that. Alright everyone, so we have an airbag light on in the Mini. So we're going to fix that. Alright everyone, we're having an airbag light on in the Mini, so let's try and fix that.